if you have watched the introduction of reinforced concrete design, you understand. Wait, you still have to learn this, why reinforcement is needed. Though I have explained this concept in the introduction class, but someone asked this question specifically, and I want to explain this. Is that clear? All right. Now, I have explained to us in the introduction part of this class that our cement concrete only is very good in what? In compression, but weak in what? In tension. You understand? That weakness can cause the cement concrete to what? To fail. You understand? Or crack. So we need to reinforce the cement concrete. Do you understand? So that for it to what? For it to be able to withstand the tensile stresses. Do you understand? So why reinforcement is needed is number one, to carry tensile forces or to carry tensile stresses. All right. To carry tensile stresses. All right. And number two, to control cracking. Is that clear? To control cracking. And number three, to increase the strength and ductility, to increase strength and ductility. All right. To increase to increase strength and ductility. All right. So this is why reinforcement is mostly needed in cement concrete. Is that clear? So stay tuned for more questions and more answers to them. Is that clear? Thank you.